going to look at tonight at this 8 o'clock at night on a Tuesday? We're going to look at 2 Todd Fischer custom Archangels. So, yeah, turn down the volume because here comes a little bit of music. Well, guys, before we go too much further and take a look at these beautiful custom knives, I wanted to have you guys go check out Jim Skelton's channel. Jim's been on the podcast. Jim's a good friend of mine. Jim is a great dude to talk to and stuff like that. So, yeah, go give him a few views and check out some of his custom knives. He does make custom knives. So, at any rate, these are a couple of Todd Fischer custom Archangels. And they are beautiful. One of them is done in Westinghouse micarta, the other one in mammoth tooth. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take and turn this thing around and take a good look at them from above. There's not a lot of specs to be seen on this, so we're just gonna try and get as many specs as we can on our own. So, guys, let's turn it around and take a look at them. All right, guys, I brought us in a little closer than usual because I wanted to be able to get you guys a really good look at both these knives. Now, these are full customs, so the specs on each one are going to be a little bit different. But you can see they are almost identical in size. There is a difference in weight. So these were an overall length of 7 3/4 inches. The blade length on these was listed as 3 1/4. Blade finish varied. Handle length on this was 4 1/2, and then it had multiple different handle materials. This one is Westinghouse micarta. This one is mammoth tooth. They're both in Damascus. These are not Sanmai Damascus. These are standard style Damascus. These are both in for sharpening. So both of these knives are done in zirconium and titanium. This one is full black zirconium with titanium liners, zirconium backspacer, zirconium pocket clip. It has a big skull cracker. Now that Westinghouse micarta is gorgeous. These screws you can see are obviously handmade. Let me see if I can zoom in on that a little bit. You can see that those are milled screws, that pattern in there. These are incredibly well done knives. The action on them incredibly smooth. The way they feel in hand is great. So we're gonna get some, I'm gonna be real careful because I don't wanna scratch anything. I'm gonna get my calipers out. We're gonna look at some blade stock thickness. We're gonna look at some weight and things like that. But I just really wanted to show you you can't even feel that, guys. You can see it, you can kind of feel it a little bit, but it is so smooth. Todd Fischer does incredible work. So these are all Todd Fischer Senior. Like I said, mammoth, zirc, titanium liners. Then you got that beautiful Damascus blade. Oops. I need to lock that. Let me get everything we've got, everything we need to actually get the specs out of the way. We'll get some weight and we'll get some blade stock thickness and stuff like that. So give me just a second. Let's go ahead and pick these up and do a real quick. I don't want to scratch these blades. Now, Kim tells me that he carries and uses all these. So blade stock, you're looking at just about 1.1345 on the mammoth tooth, and on this one, which is the Westinghouse, you're looking at 1.42. So these are custom knives, so they are going to vary in weight and size and everything like that. You can even see the flipper tabs on them are a little bit different. One is a little bit taller and sharper than the other one. So these are the epitome of a handmade custom knife. These are anywhere between $3,000 and $5,000. I did just finish sharpening this one. It still has a little bit of strop touch up that I have to do on it, but let's go ahead and get some weight on these because surprisingly, these are not that heavy for as thick and bulky as they look. So in grams, oops, in grams, right about 153 grams. Let's make sure that was zeroed. And in ounces on the micarta version, gosh darn it, Mike. Westinghouse 5 3/8. So on this other one, In ounces, you're looking at 6.5, and in grams, back the other direction, 185. So it's a significant difference. This one's significant. You know, you're looking at like 30 grams difference between the two. This one is definitely heavier, even though this one has the larger blade stock. But I just thought it would be nice for me to be able to break these out, show you guys these, because I had never gotten to handle any of these until they came in from Kim for sharpening. And I'm going to tell you that beautiful Damascus pattern on that, I like the blade on this one a lot more than I like this one. This is an attractive knife, but I just like the Damascus pattern in this one a little bit more. I think this is a raindrop Damascus or water drop Damascus. I can't remember what it was called. Nice etch on it. Comfortable in hand for as thick as it is. Let's see. Let's get the handle thickness. So you're looking at 0.664, so just over half an inch on these ones. Let's see what the other one looks like. Well, this isn't like an in-depth review, guys. This is just something I thought you guys would like to see. 6795 on this one. So yeah, there's going to be some variance and things between these, but these are just beautiful knives. I'm not going to try and do any more pontificating about it. I just thought you guys would like to take a look at it. Let's just go ahead and take a good close look at these scales. Man, Todd, you know what you're doing when it comes to making knives. Look at that. Now this one hasn't been sharpened yet, so you can see that the heel of that's fairly dull. And then this one, as much as I like the mammoth tooth and it's gorgeous, I think that this one with the Westinghouse micarta and the complete black Zerk I think this one is my favorite of the two. It's just beautiful. It's that Westinghouse micarta is always beautiful. And the action on it, my goodness. I like the action on this one a little bit better than that one too. This one's got a little bit smoother action. But yeah, there you go, guys. Just a couple of really incredibly nice full custom folders that are in for sharpening. So don't forget, guys, sharpening service. If you're a paying member, you save $5 per knife on sharpening. So, all right, guys, let's turn this back around and do some quick final thoughts. So yeah, guys, I knew I wanted to show them to you. I just didn't know how. It's not like we're going to do a full review. It's really hard to find any information about those. Both of these knives were sold by Recon One. I found them both in videos that Recon One had. So I imagine I could probably find the information on them if I wanted to dig. But you know, it's 8:30 at night and I just wanted really badly to get these videotaped for you before they have to go back. I'm going to finish the sharpening on them. But yeah, I just thought it would be really nice to be able to just show you guys some incredibly nice custom knives. So guys, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down, but please try to tell me why. If you don't like the content, I can't change it if you don't tell me what I'm doing wrong. If you want to support the channel, it's as simple as what I did with Jim. Just share the channel with people you think would enjoy the content. But if you do want to support the channel financially, there's a few ways you can do it. I have a ton of affiliate links down below. The newest one is Atlas VPN. It's the one I'm using, and it's great because I'm able to watch Shaun of the Dead, and it's not on any of the streaming platforms here in the United States. Other ways you can do it, I have affiliate links down below for Amazon and stuff like that. Anything you purchase, I still get credit for it, even if it's not the item you clicked on. I have the membership tab down below, gets you early access to videos, exclusive content, and a premium tier sharpening tutorial. And the last way is I have a merch store with Ember Shirt Co. I have a link to my merch store and Ember Shirt Co. and a coupon code that saves you 10% at both. It's CrazySharp, capital C, capital S, all one word, CrazySharp. Guys, that's it. I love you all. Keep it clean in the comment section. If it's your birthday, happy birthday, and I will see you in the next video.